First things first, put this on silent. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You have nothing else to do. You're in quarantine, you're locked down. Hit the subscribe button. So today's video is gonna be quick and easy. We're gonna be taking off the hill assist on the STI. That way you don't have that awkward first gear, you're ready to go and
This was my STI before the Mikey body tune.
So on a serious note, I hope everyone is staying safe out there and taking the proper precautions, washing your hands, singing happy birthday to them. And in case you guys are wondering why Alaska doesn't have a lot of cases, because they're isolated. Let's just get in the car.
Just a little cold start, baby.
To be honest, I haven't even been driving the car that much. I feel like it's been probably like 8 days since I've driven the car, so I definitely need to go around and drive today just to kind of get her fluids moving around in there. So of course, when I'm recording, I was trying to get that on film there, like the car pretty much jerking when you come off with the hill assist on. But of course it didn't work when I'm trying to put it on camera. But yeah, pretty much it's always at an awkward time. Like it's pretty much the brakes are on and you're trying to hit gas and it won't let go, and all of a sudden it randomly lets go and your car just kind of like clunks. But yeah, we're gonna be disabling that. So this is how you do it. All right, so right down here, we're gonna hold this button down here for the traction control. You see track mode is off, traction control is off. We're gonna keep it held down until that disappears. And once it disappears, we're gonna let go of the button and click it one time. All right, there it goes. I let go, now I'm gonna press it one time. See the hill assist button there? That was a hill assist signal there. It went away. Now I'm gonna turn the car off and turn it back on. That symbol should stay there. So I don't know if that's gonna annoy you or not, but that's gonna always be on there now, showing that hill assist is off. So I am on a bit of a little slope here. So when I go in first gear here and I let go of the brake, I'm starting to roll back right now like that. And usually the hill assist would have the brakes held for you. It's like a little training wheels for little first timers. Now me, I'll see, I'm gonna test out the hill assist off for a little bit, but if that light starts annoying me, I'll probably just put it back on, but we'll see. And if you wanna turn it back off, same thing. All right, so once again, we're gonna hold this down. There are the lights. We're gonna hold it till that traction control light turns off, which is about 20 seconds or so. I think you wanna make sure your e-brake is up also. All right, turned off. We're gonna let go of the button, click it once, and you see right there, the light disappeared. Or not. Well, when we restart the car, it should be gone. Let's see. There it goes. That's how you turn it back off. So, pretty simple. So now that I'm stuck at the house all day, I'm trying to park the car as close as I can to this wall here so I have more room to work out. I know a lot of gyms are closed and stuff, so luckily I had this before all this went down, so I've been able to stay in shape as best as I can. So once again, guys, it's very easy to do, especially those of you guys in Florida where there's not many hills and stuff. I mean, we don't really need it, I guess, unless you're going to like a hotel valet. It's the only place I really could think of that you need it. But yeah. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks.